Question number 20, the given two equation. The solution to the given system of equations is x comma y. What is the value of y? So we need to find the value of y. Obviously, we get an idea that we need to substitute this into this so that we'll get the value of x, and then we substitute it into equation 1, then we get the value of y. Fine. But here we need to find the value of y directly. I mean, we need to find the value of y. So how can we get it directly? So you just try to, you see here, what I'm going to do is this equation, I'll write it as root 4 will turn it as 2 and root x will be as it is minus y that equals 3. And this equation, I'll turn it as, I'll just transpose this. So root x value will be y minus 3. So now I'll just substitute this root x here. So that's going to be 2 into root x is y minus 3 and negative y that equals 3. So 2y minus 6 minus y that equals 3. 2y minus y is y. And then transpose this to other side, minus 6. It will become plus 6, 3 plus 6, which is 9. So y value equals 9 directly. You can do method 2 the regular way. Just write the second equation, root 4x minus y that equals 3, and substitute equation number 1, which is y value. In the place of y, substitute y, root x plus 3, and rest as it is. So root 4x minus y value that equals 3. So root 4x, we write it as root 2x. I mean 2 root x, because root 4 is 2. And then this will be negative root x, negative 3 equals 3. So this value will be root x, and transpose, then it will be 6. So squaring on both sides, you get x equals to 36. So if x equals to 36, substituting into equation 1, this one, it is a bit easier. So y equals to root x plus 3. So y equals to root x value is 36 plus 3. Root 36 is 6. Y equals to 6 plus 3. Y equals 9. So it's a bit lengthy, but it is better to go with the way how I did it for the first method. Question number 21. The given two equations. The graphs of the given equations in the xy plane intersect at the point xy. What is a possible value of x? So here I'll try to change equation 2 as y equals to, I'm just transposing 132 to other side. It's going to change it as x square minus 4x negative 132, and equation 1 remains same, negative 15x plus 3y that equals 12. So I'll just substitute this y in the place of equation 1. So that will be negative 15x plus 3 into the value of y, which is x square minus 4x minus 132, that equals 12. Negative 15x plus 3x square minus 12x minus 396, 3 multiplied by 132, that equals 12. So solving this, and let's write 3x square as it is, negative 15x and negative 12x, you're gonna get negative 27x, and transpose this 12 here, negative 396, negative 12, which is going to be negative 408. So I already transposed and solved, that equals to 0. So now what I'll do is, here 3 is there, 27 is there, so maybe it works with, so 4 plus 8 according to the divisibility test rule. So we can take 3 common in this. So x square minus 9x minus 136, that equals to 0. X square minus 9x minus 136, that equals 0. Using quadratic formula, x equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x equals to minus b is negative 9, minus into minus plus 9 plus or minus root b square. B square is negative 9 whole square. Negative 9 whole square is 81 minus 4 into a is 1, and let me write this, negative 4 into 1 into negative 136 divided by 2 into 1, which is 2 itself. So that's going to be x equals to 9 plus or minus root 81 minus 4 and 136, that's going to be 500, and this minus into minus, which is plus, divided by 2. X equals to 9 plus or minus root 81 plus 544 is 625 divided by 2. X equals to 9 plus or minus 25 by 2. Root 625 is 25. So x equals to 9 plus 25 by 2. X equals to 9 minus 25 by 2. So x equals to 34 by 2. X equals to 17. X equals to 16 divided by 2. X equals to negative 8. So x value equals to negative 8 comma 17. So instead of using quadratic formula, you can use factorization as well if you are comfortable. So 70 and negative 17 positive 8, that's going to be negative 9x. So this will satisfy. Using factorization also you can able to solve this. X square minus 17x plus 8x minus 136, that equals 0. So x into x minus 17 plus 8 into x minus 17, that equals 0. X plus 8, x minus 17 equals 0. X equals negative 8 positive 17. So you can use it. You can use factorization as well if you're comfortable. Question number 22. The given two equations to us. Which of the following ordered pairs x comma y is a solution to the given system of equations for all real values of n? So the given few ordered pairs, I mean the solutions. So which one will be the solution of this given equations? So we don't know here what kind of solutions these are. Maybe infinitely many solutions, no solution, or one solution. So first we need to find that so that it helps us to move forward. So here they also mentioned is a solution to the given system of equations for all real values of n. For all real values of n. So it means here it indicating more values, which means we can guess that this is going to be a infinitely many solutions. Let's check and confirm. What we do is we can, here the difference is negative 4, and here also mostly here also. Let's multiply equation 1 with negative 4, and let's keep equation 2 as it is. So this is going to be negative 20x positive 12y, that equals to negative 32. And second equation as it is, let's write as it is, negative 20x plus 12y, that equals negative 32. You see both equations are exactly same, which means these two equations are having infinitely many solutions. So for these equations, which will be the solution? Maybe A, maybe B, maybe C, maybe D. So from this equations, we isolate x from this. Let's say if we isolate this equation, can isolate x to get, so just transpose this to RHS and this to LHS. That's going to be 12y plus 32 equals to 20x. 12y by 20 plus 32 by 20, that equals to x. 4 3s, 4 5s, 4 8s, 4 5s. So 3 by 5y plus 8 by 5, that equals to x. Can also isolate y to get minus 20x plus 12y equals negative 32. 12y equals to 20x minus 32. So y equals to 20x by 12 minus 32 by 12. Y equals to 5 by 3x, 8 by 3. minus 8 by 3. So you have x and y values after isolating them. Now we have x and y terms, I mean these values. So I just wrote them here. I'm going to use option A, and option A, x is n and y is this. So I'll take this x value, which is n, and then I'll substitute here in y value. Let's see what I'm going to get. Y equals to 5 by 3, and in the place of x, I'm just substituting n minus 8 by 3. Is it matching with the y term? No. You see here it is 5 by 3x minus 8 by 3. It is 5 by 3n, sorry, 5 by 3n minus 8 by 3. Here it is 5 by 3n minus 8 only. So it's not matching. So option A is incorrect. Now here y value they given as in the option B. So I just use that y and input in the x. So I mean here in this actual x value. So x equals to 3 by 5, and in the place of y we are substituting n plus 8 by 5. So you can see this value of x is not matching with the given x coordinate, because you can see here the difference is negative. Here we don't have any negative. So option B is also incorrect. Now I'm coming to option C. Here you can see x is n minus 1. So I'll take that value and I'll substitute in the y, and I'll check whether this y matches with this y or not. So y equals to 5 by 3 n minus 1 minus 8 by 3. Y equals to 5 by 3 n minus 5 by 3 minus 8 by 3. So y equals to 5 by 3 n minus 13 by 3 you get. So here if you take x value as n minus 1, your y value is 5 by 3 n minus 13 by 3. 5 by 3 n minus 1 they given, but we got 5 by 3 n minus 13 by 3. So it's obviously incorrect option. Now option D, I will take this n minus 1 from option D, which is y, and I'll input here. So if I take y, let's see what x value we get. X equals to 3 by 5. What is the y value we are taking? N minus 1. So n minus 1 plus 8 by 5. X equals to 3 by 5 n minus 3 by 5 plus 8 by 5. So x equals to 3 by 5 n plus 5 by 5, which is 1. So x equals to 3 by 5 n plus 1. So you can see the x value what we got and given x value 3 by 5 n plus 1, which is matching. So option D is correct.